Buongiorno, oggi parliamo del futuro. Analizziamo questa frase. Che cosa vuol dire? Quando finirò a Bel Air andrò all'università e studierò medicina. Can you guess the meaning of this sentence? When I finish Bel Air, I will go to university and I will study medicine. So this is something that will happen in the future. When we express the future in English, we can use will or sometimes shall, or other forms like the present continuous. For example, I am going to the party tonight. So, come esprimiamo il futuro in italiano? Let's analyze the sentences and find out. The sentence we've just seen, quando finirò Bel Air andrò all'università e studierò medicina, we see that all the verbs end with O, with an accent. Andrò, studierò. Who's the subject here? Io. So whenever we want to express a future tense with io, we're going to end with an O and an accent. Can you try to analyze the following sentences and find out what the other subjects do? Please press pause and find out. Take some notes. Benissimo. The endings are I for tu, a with an accent for lui or lei, emo for noi, ete for voi, hanno for loro. So how do we conjugate the future tense? Here you have a chart with all three conjugations, are, ere, ire, and as you see, we just drop the final E. We don't drop the whole conjugation, are, ere, or ire, just the final E. And then we add the endings that we've just seen. Be careful though, because the first conjugation, are, needs to change the A into an E. So lavorare becomes lavorerò, lavorerai, lavorerà, lavoreremo, lavorerete, lavoreranno. Second conjugation, credere, crederò, crederai, crederà, crederemo, crederete, crederanno. And the third conjugation, finire, finirò, finirai, finirà, finiremo, finirete, finiranno. So the good news is that the endings are always the same, and you just have to remember to switch the vowel a from a to e, into the first conjugation. Now this is true for all regolari, the regular verbs. Let's have a look at some irregular ones. Luckily, we don't have many, but we have some, and they are pretty important, like essere, avere, and the modals dovere, potere, volere. The good thing, though, is that, as you can see, the endings are always the same. So you just need to study and memorize the stem, not the endings. The stem means the first part, the root of the verb, what we don't change. For essere is going to be sar. So sarò, sarai, sarà, saremo, sarete, saranno. For avere, avrò, avrai, avrà, avremo, avrete, avranno. Please take some notes and make a chart like this in your notebook. Ricapitoliamo. Let's sum it up. You start from an infinitive and you drop the final E. If it's a first conjugation verb, are, you change A into E. For irregular verbs, you have to check the stem change. And then you add the suffixes o, ai, a, emo, ete, anno. Finito. Ora tocca a te. Completa la tabella. Try to conjugate these 3 verbs. They are all regular, and we'll check them out in class tomorrow. Grazie e alla prossima!